Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is gagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong tutorial, and this tutorial is how to sign up in Involve Asia. Involve Asia is a performance-based marketing company preferred and trusted by global brands for affiliate marketing solutions. The company owns Involve, the popular affiliate marketing platform connecting brands to their publishers to achieve their advertising and marketing goals. Ibig sabihin yan guys, pwede tayong magbenta ng mga produkto na hindi ad. Pwede natin i-share ang mga link na galing kay Shopee at Lazada, Cheerbest at iba pang affiliate na kapartner ng Involve Asia. Pero paano nga ba natin gagawin yon? By sharing their links into different kind of social media platforms like Facebook page, Instagram, and YouTube. And the average commission per publisher is $400 per month. So first, kailangan muna nating mag-sign up kay Involve Asia. So start na tayo guys. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box down below yung link kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-sign up kay Involve Asia. So first step na gagawin natin guys is ilagay yung ating property URL. Ano-ano nga ba yung mga property URL na pwede nating ilagay dyan? YouTube channel, Facebook page, or Facebook profile, o kaya Instagram. At dahil meron akong YouTube channel, ang ilalagay ko sa property URL is YouTube channel ko. Next is name of property. Kung ano ang pangalan mo sa YouTube channel mo, yun din ang ilalagay mo sa name of property. At dahil ang pangalan ko sa YouTube channel ko is Annalisa Pardilla, yun din ang itatype ko dito sa name of property. Next is channel. Dito naman, ang ilalagay ko dito sa channel ay influencers dahil isa akong YouTuber. Ang influencers promote via social media platform. Kasi pwede ako mag-promote ng mga product through YouTube, Facebook page, and Facebook profile or Instagram. Next is what is your property about? So, ilalagay mo lang dyan yung description ng iyong channel. So, my YouTube channel is about beauty review, makeup review, unboxing, and tutorial. Then click next. And then after nun, syempre country natin Philippines, and then type of advertiser, please select one. Piliin natin yung paper sale. Then sa property category naman, pili lang tayo ng isa, and dahil yung aking YouTube channel is more on health and beauty, pipiliin ko dito yung health and beauty. Traffic acquisition method, and pipiliin ko dito is display network. And then add format. Pipiliin ko dito is product sponsorship. And then click next. Next is, would you like to activate premium inventory? Click lang natin yung no, and then next ulit tayo. And then, yung last part natin guys is of course, account information. So, type lang natin dyan yung ating company name, which is Annalisa Pardilla dahil yung name ng aking YouTube channel. And then, ating email ads para just in case na ma-approve tayo, isend nila sa ating email address. And then, ating first name. And then, last name. Then, after nyan guys, lagay lang natin yung ating password and then repeat password. After nating malagay dyan yung ating password, then, check lang natin yung I agree and then, click lang natin yung submit. And then, may lalabas dyan na you're almost done. After natin mag-sign up kay Involve Asia, magpapadala sila ng isang email to complete our registration and confirm your email address. Kailangan natin i-click yung link na ipinadala nila. And then, ganito yung itsura niya kapag ini-open mo yung link na ipinadala ng Involve Asia. So, kung makikita nyo dyan guys, so naandyan na yung name ng aking property na Analisa Pardilla. And yung URL na nilagay ko dyan is YouTube channel, which is yun yung ginawa natin kanina. Pwede kayong mag-add pa dyan ng new property kung gusto nyo mag-add ng Facebook page o kaya ay Facebook profile or Instagram. And then after nyan guys, punta kayo sa account settings. Sa account settings, makikita nyo dyan yung account information, user, website property, and payment settings. Sa account information, kailangan nyo rin guys yan i-fill up. So madali lang yan guys, self-explanatory. All about personal information yan. Syempre, company name, yung inyong company name which is Analisa Pardilla ulit. And preferred currency which is USD. Phone number, cellphone number ninyo guys, and company address, and city kung saan kayo nakatira, region, zip code 4301, country Philippines, and ayan, primary category is influencer, and then click nyo lang yung save changes. And after nating maglagay sa account information, maglalagay din tayo dito ng payment details kasi ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat kasi dito ipapadala ni Involve Asia yung ating sweldo just in case na kumikita na tayo. So, madali lang yan guys kasi meron na naman diyang mga asterisk na red. So, yun lang yung ating lalagyan ng mga details. And, unahin na natin tong si preferred payment method. So, ang pipiliin natin dyan is wire transfer kasi ang ilalagay natin dyan ay bangko. And then, beneficiary bank name, kung anong bangko mo, kung BDO, Security, or Metro Bank. And then, next is itong beneficiary name, kung kanino nakapangalan yung bank account. And then, beneficiary bank account, kung ano yung bank account number ninyo. Next is bank address. So, nakalagay naman din sa passbook ninyo kung ano yung address ng bangko ninyo. And then, Swift code. Madali lang tong Swift code. I-search nyo lang kay Google yung Swift code. For example, is BDO Swift code, Metrobank Swift code, and lalabas na siya. And then, i-copy-paste nyo na lang. And then, next is itong beneficiary email address. Kung ano yung email ad ninyo. Kasi, dyan ipapadala ni Involve Asia yung mga update or changes kapag may gusto kayong baguhin sa account niyo ka Involve Asia, and then diyan ipapadala sa email. And then preferred currency is USD, and then transfer of reason is wala. Ako ilalagay diyan, and then click lang natin yung save changes. And then after nyan guys, mag-iintay na lang tayo ng 1 to 2 working days para ma-approve tayo ni Involve Asia. And i-update ko kayo kung anong nangyari sa aking application. And that's all for my video. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga new videos ko. Thank you again for watching. Bye!